Hi, I'm going to do a simple tutorial for a Malaysian nursery rhyme that I grew up with. It's called Burung, Kakak, and we're doing it in the key of G, so all we need is 3 chords. That's the G major chord right there, and then we need a D major chord, which is all 3 fingers on the 2nd fret, and then a C major chord. So just 3 chords, and we start it with D, and it's waltz strumming, which is a 1, 2, 3. It goes like this: 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So you start with 2 G's and 2 D's for the first line. Burung, kakak, dua. And then the second line is 2 D's and back to 2 G's. Hingga jendela. So line 3 would be a repetition. Nenek sudah. Think of it, it's basically 2 G's, 2 D's, 2 D's, 2 G's, 2 G's, 2 D's, 2 D's, 2 G's. Pretty simple. And then you go to the chorus. Sorry, so you go 2 G's and 2 C's, okay? And then you go to D. So for the chorus, it's 2 G's, 2 C's, first line, and then the second line would be 2 D's and back to 2 G's, and then it repeats itself. It's just a pattern. So put the whole song together. It's Burung.